Chris Morrison, Morrison Team with Retsy. We're at our latest listing in one of the best parts of Arcadia, 4036 North 40th Place. We're excited for you to come check it out. Welcome to this fully remodeled, open concept Arcadia Light home. This split open floor plan has wood-like flooring throughout. The front windows in the living area and dining area provide a ton of natural light. The kitchen features an island with seating, large pantry, stainless steel appliances, and a wine fridge. The primary bedroom has dual vanities, a large walk-in closet, and pool views with access to the backyard through the French doors. The backyard is perfect for entertaining, with a large turf area, mature trees, and a brand new pool just completed in 2020 with a Baja step and in-ground cleaning. Situated on a large lot located just steps away from the porch, the VIG, Little Woody's, and LGO, you can't beat the location. Thanks for checking out this awesome home. As always, you can find all the details about this property and our other properties on arcadialiving.com or send us a direct message for a private viewing.